Subnet level. Okay. And security groups are EC2 instance level. Okay. And let me recollect. What are the different types of sources you have in security group? Custom, anywhere, NYIP. Okay. Which is, okay, in your real time, is it good to have only one security group for all? No. Okay. Okay. And whenever you create a new security group, by default inbound rules are deny. Whenever you create a new NACL, the inbound rules are whenever you create whenever you create a new NS, see, you flipped. Hey, you flipped. Huh? I thought I catched you, but I caught you, but yeah. So yes, it's deny. So if you have a, okay, do we have a default NACL? For default NACL, inbound rules are okay, super. Okay. Okay, on security groups. Okay, another question. If I do any changes in the protocol in the security group, will that get immediately affected or it will take time? Immediately. Is it possible to deny any protocol in security group? No, not possible. Okay. How do you retrieve the password of EC2 instance? Okay. What is the extension of the key pair? Okay. Do we have any default key pair? No. That key pair, that PEM file is public or private key? And who has public key? AWS. One key pair can be attached to multiple EC2 instances? Yes. And if you're retrieving the password of the EC2 instance again and again, you will get the same password or different password? Same password. And each and every EC2 instance will have same password or different password? Different password. Okay. What is the default username for Windows EC2 instance? What is the default username for Linux? EC2 minus user. Okay. EC2 minus user. What is the client that you use to connect to the Linux EC2 instances? Putty. What is the protocol that you use? SSH. What is the port number for SSH? Okay. And and what is the client that you use for connecting Windows EC2 instance? RDP. Okay. And guys, I have my application running on the EC2 instance, and all of a sudden I got a lot of load on my load balancer. How do I handle it? Using auto scaling group. Auto scaling group has minimum, maximum, and desired capacity, correct? Yes. So, and we have manual, schedule, and dynamic scaling options, correct? Yes. Do you understand? Do you know what is launch configuration or launch template? Yes. Yes. Super. And what is load balancer? Elastic load balancer? Yes. The load balancer can send the traffic across multiple availability zones. Answer is yes. And is it recommended to use load balancers IP address to the customer? Answer is no. Only. So what should we use in order to only the DNS name? Okay, good. So load balancer is a service or a server for us? It's a service. How does the load balancer monitors the application? Health check. What is the status code? HTTP status code 200. Chiti, what are the different types of load balancers we have? Which is the default load balancer that we use? Okay, what does which protocol supports? The ALB supports what protocol? Okay. And what extra features that application load balancer has compared to classic? Okay. And which load balancer support static IP address? NLB. And NLB works on which protocol? TCP. Okay. And so is it possible to have multiple subdomain applications with the one application load balancer? Can you use target groups in order to redirect based on the hosts, based on the domain? Yes. Okay. What are the different types of IP addresses that you know? Okay. Which one is mandatory for EC2 instance? Okay. And is it possible to connect to the private IPs from the internet? So in order to connect to the EC2 instance from your laptop, from your internet, what is the IP address? Which type of IP address we should assign it to the EC2? Public. So if I stop and start the EC2 instance, IP address will, public IP address will change or not change? It will change. So if I don't like to have this IP address changes all the time dynamic, which is the option that you have? EIP. How many EIPs? How many EIPs you can have? 5. But if you keep it ideal, will it be free for you? No. So where does this private IP addresses uses? Private IP within the VPC. So if I want to connect from my company to do AWS, then what is the concept that we should use? VPN. Okay. From the console, in which section that you get instance metadata, instance information? Description section. Oi, from CLI? Do you remember the URL? Anyone? Oh, 169.254, 169.254 slash latest slash meta minus data. So what is user data? What is user data? Bootstrap script. Super. And guys, I have a requirement where I need to have the IP addresses of your load balancer or IP address of your application, which is hosted on AWS. So which concept that you can recommend here? Global accelerator. Global accelerator support how many static IPs? 2 static IPs. Does the global accelerator cache? No. Which one is used for caching purpose? Guys, I'm doing one thing for you. I'm standing up and giving you a great appreciation. Claps. Fantastic. Fantastic. Guys, awesome, man. You guys are really. Guys, I tried to twist all the questions, but you are able to answer all those things. And that too, an immediate shootout round. Guys, no revision, no? Surprise shootout round on all the entire EC2. Happy? No, did I told you no revision is required? Everything is injected. You guys are all happy, but I'm also very, very happy because EC2 is such a big topic, right? And then you have answered each and everything. Super. Super. Any questions? Guys, these are all my spontaneous questions, okay? So if you have any questions, ask me because now we have only little time. After 10 o'clock, most of the people have on offices, that's fine. So, and also, by the way, if I start the practicals, I cannot do it for within few minutes. We'll take freshly the practicals tomorrow. But do you have any questions? How is going? All good? The pace, any concerns except those recorded sessions? That's not my things. All good? Any concerns? Timing, I'll start the class exactly by 9:05 or 9:10. Okay? Please join on time.